So we are in Galaxy's Edge. We've actually been here like all morning, but we are going to go and do building a lightsaber.
Yeah.
All right, you've all made it safely. Let me get a good look at you. Excellent. It's official. I like them. That's why you're here. And also to build a lightsaber. Now, picture those 4 colored crystals in your mind. And in your mind's eye, I want you to see your color crystal. Excellent. Time to build the hilt. Now, the hilt is the foundation of the lightsaber, the center of control. If you
Push the other side into place. Now this is deemed one of the hardest parts. There you go. Yes. Push up and twist to your right. You should eventually kind of snap on a little. There you go. You made some wonderful choices. And a little
activate. Builders, raise your sabers high. You did it. You have built a lightsaber. Like the Jedi and Sith that have come before you. And like them, you too could change the galaxy. Remember, my friends, it only takes a spark.
Alright, so our room is finally ready. We were 4223 and we actually got upgraded to a club level standard room. Alright. So we have main room, 2 beds, and then I believe the couch also flips down into like a sleeper sofa then. Favorite TV channel. Look at this super cool view we get out here. See yacht club, beach club, the actual boardwalk itself. And you can see all the way down to the DVC side and jelly rolls in the dance hall. And then you can see the dolphin way over there as well. Pretty cool. And then back in here, so you have a little sitting area. I guess this pulls out to be like extra table space. And then you see this like fancy mini lamp. You can tell some of this is a little bit older. There's definitely like nail polish on the table there. I don't know, are these rooms supposed to be done over soon?
I would assume because they still have carpet and they haven't put the dispensers in that they have not had the complete do-over.
Yeah. So you can see couch flips down into another bed, so you can sleep up to 5 in here. Ugh.
It's not, of the ones that need a do-over though, it's not the worst I've seen. Like it's actually fairly...
Yeah, no, they're still...
It's in good shape. That one, like the one on the Wilderness that we had, that one's...
Oh yeah, Copper Creek was
not
rough.
Boulder
Boulder Ridge, that's right. Then over here, don't mind all our stuff, just in the corner there. You have the Jack and Jill sink, or his and her, whatever. And the bathroom. Have just a regular shower bath combo. But you'll notice we actually still have H2O products in here, which is pretty cool. And we have them out here as well. Got a whole little like tray of them. Then you got your safe, closet area, and over here, kind of covered with our stuff, we have a Keurig, some coasters, ice, and then in here, you got some of your included coffees, and this is the fridge, which is currently blocked by all of our stuff. Yeah, there's a fridge. You know what the inside of a fridge looks like. Extra pillows and blanket up in there. But yeah, this is a nice little room though. I like it. Very exciting. Alright guys, so we're kind of getting settled into the room now, but just wanted to kind of talk about what we've been doing. So we did Hollywood this morning, obviously. We got a really early boarding pass for Rise. It was like number 22. We rode the ride before 10 o'clock, like maybe 9:30, which was pretty sweet. We just rode a couple other attractions there as well. We hit Star Tours, and we did Mickey and Minnie's as well. Big thing we were there for was building the lightsaber, which I put a couple clips of, but I'll have a full video of like that full show. But this was really cool. Like, I was really impressed. I was really excited for it too. It was something that I've wanted to do for a while, and I'll show you kind of some close-ups of the lightsaber I made as well. But look at how cool this is. I'm so excited. I'm gonna film some like different time lapses and stuff out here throughout the day, and probably through the nights and the morning as well. So look forward to that. And then big reason for staying at Boardwalk this weekend is we wanted to do fireworks in Epcot. We just don't get to stay for fireworks very often because we typically drive and then we have to drive home. So we tend to be more of like get in the park early, leave early type of people. Alright, so this is my lightsaber. So if you've ever done Savi's workshop, you know you get basically 4 different like set choices. So you can do, I think this one is elemental and nature, there's protection and defense, there is power control, and then peace and justice. Like I said, this is nature, nature and elemental, so it's kind of nature inspired. You can see it's got kind of like a fake woody feel on it. And then down on the end, it's got kind of a wrapped look to it. That wants to focus. But yeah, this is pretty cool. So this whole set, it gave you a couple other different options. You get 2, basically this top and bottom, like hilt pieces you can choose from. There, you get 2 out of 4 choices there. 2 different activators. And then 1 top piece, and then 1 bottom piece. This kind of set is famous for that bottom piece that has like the big claw on it. I did not do that one. That one's a little bit tacky for me. I did the one that's just got like the hook on it, so you can hook it to like a belt loop or something. Alright, so we are picking up our dinner. We did a Trattoria al Forno, what's it called? Like mobile order. So we're gonna take that up, kind of back to the room, which I think is pretty cool. They started doing like sit-down restaurants like that, and it's honestly like a much better option than like room service. Yeah. So we picked up our mobile order. It was super easy. We just walked in. It was like sitting there on a table on the side, which was pretty cool. Now we're bringing it back to the room. do me a favor and like pull it open?
Sure.
So we've got the chicken parm over here, and then the lasagna over here, and then we have garlic bread over here. It looks like it's got like melted cheese over it, and it's also got a red sauce down in the bottom. So all looks pretty good. That's kind of cool. That's a puzzle.
It's like a very hard puzzle.
Probably. The rain jacket's kind of cool.
Not even a rain jacket.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and all of that fun YouTubey stuff. And we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.